Our Diwali vacation has started. What are you watching on television? Yes, Aurora. Our Diwali vacation has started. And that's why I'm watching my favorite YouTube channel. It is about dolls. You two are here watching TV? There is so much of work before Diwali. And you two are watching television? Come with me right now in your room. Aurora, Elsa, look at your room. How dirty it is. This is the way you keep your room. And before Diwali, at least you could have cleaned it. And now you're sitting and watching television. How much should I work? I'm running here, there. Everything I have to do. You should at least help me out. Now look at it and clean it. I'm not going to clean it. We are sorry, Mom. We didn't want to do this right now. We thought we'll do it after watching TV. We'll keep it clean. Promise. We'll start cleaning now. Elsa, we now have to make our mom happy. We'll first clean the room quickly and then watch television. You do that part half and I'll do this part half. You clean the cupboard, the bed, the bookshelf. I'll clean the TV set, the dressing table and water the plants. And then we'll keep the clothes. Help us dusting the floor. Now vacuum cleaner, you come here please and help us clean the floor. Aurora, now you start watering the plants and clean that side and I'll start dusting this side. Let me first clean the mirror. Now, let me clean the TV and the TV unit. Finally, let me water the plants. I'll first clean the bookshelf. Now, let me dust the cupboard. Finally, let me now dust the bed. Elsa, we now have to keep our clothes properly. And the hanger stand is here. Let's now keep our clothes neatly. Elsa, let's divide the clothes and one by one, let's keep it on the hanger. Here are our divided clothes and now it's on the hanger and it's done. Now let me call Mom. She will be very happy with our work. I'm sure about that. Mom, see? We cleaned our room. We both divided our work and quickly cleaned our room. You liked it? Tell us. Wow, kids, this is amazing. Well done, kids. See, it was quite fast. You could have done it earlier. Well, I'm proud of you. Happy Diwali, everyone.